Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an easy teleport to teleport in Far Cry 5 arcade. Now I've been watching some of the internet videos and to be honest, the videos on the net and on YouTube I couldn't quite get. I had to mess about myself. So I'm going to go through with this slowly. So I hope this helps you out. Again, this is the Xbox version, but the same thing will apply on the PS4. So anyway, first thing, we've got our spawn point set up, which is here. That's where we come into the game world. Now, I'm going to now go to tools. So what you do is you just bring up your right button, which is that one. That selects your objects. You go to tools. All right. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to bring up tools. Okay. Then we're going to go to scripting. So you've got two options here. You don't want that's just scripting. Press that button. You've got four options. One says script. We don't need trigger event. We're not looking at that. This is what we're after. Trigger volume. Press it down, done. Then we're going to go back to, it's not, when I've had the PC version of this before. I'm trying to get my words out here. The PC version is a lot easier than this, you know what I mean. But I'm just doing this to help you guys out. All right, so the scripting. Let's go to script. I put a script down. Make sure it's far away from there, and the reason that is because I'll show you in a minute. So once that's down, okay, now we want to put in another spawn point. So put gameplay. Wait a minute, it's on there. There you go. So gameplay, we're going to put a spawn point here. Okay. So that's everything you need. Now then, the other thing that I put in is gameplay. So go to Far Cry 5, go to structures, go to military, go to extensions, and then I want you to drop in one of these, okay? And I'll tell you that in a minute. So let's just put that in for now. All right. Okay. So that's everything the reason I'm using this is, I'll show you in a minute. So I'm going to we'll start off by putting everything together. Right, so first thing we need to do is, so what we do is we go over to this. You'll see object options, script options, Q script, yes, leave that, put that across, and then press empty. You'll see a list of actions. You don't ignore all them, just go to teleport play, and that's all you need to do. Now, then it'll say select spawn destination. Okay, click the red button, it'll go clear, and then click on there. Okay, and that's it, done, theoretically. Then just exit out of that. All right. So we then go to this here, press object options, and then see what I mean, why it jumps it back to there. For some reason it does. So if it's like that, starts jumping, move it away, see what I mean? Or move that away. We'll move that over here. If that's too close to the other, it just jumps like this. I don't know why. I think people have the same problems. You've got two options. Don't worry about custom properties because that just shows you the size of it. It's trigger options. We want triggered script. Now that black line indicates where it's going. Let the camera pan around. So you can see that now is triggered onto there. That's what we want. That goes onto there. So press exit out, done. That's all we need. All right. So what I'm going to do now is this is all set up to go. So I'm going to get this and I'm going to put that there, but I'm now going to move it down. All right. All right. So about there, done. All right. And I'm going to go back up again. All right, and I'm going to get this box here and I'm going to move it into here. And the reason I move it into here because this is a perfectly square box. Alright, see how it just fits in nice. So sometimes I've seen people put like robot, I think there was like spawn looking things, circle robot workshops. Basically it's like lit up, but I use this because you can it's just easy, and you can just put the square straight on and you can adjust the height of this, so you know, whatever, but I just put it in there, so as soon as you climb onto it, it'll just go. Right, so let's see. Theoretically it should work, so let's try it out. Press explore to begin with. Oh yeah. Let's see where we're going. So alright, so now we see that there. Jump, and that hasn't worked. Why hasn't it worked? So we're doing something wrong. So we'll go back to editor, and so if this is happening to you, it won't be that, it'll be down to this. Right, so click on options again. Alright, script options. Alright, teleport player, yep, and then select spawn destination. Now we know that's where that needs to go, yep. Click on that, okay, and then that should work technically. Alright, let's give this another go. I've had this before where it doesn't work, but I'm literally going through it with you guys, so it gives you an idea. Jump through there. There you go, and it worked that time. Yeah, so that's it, guys. What I did wrong was I didn't click on the end to select it, but that's it. But you know, I thought I'd do this video to help you out. The other thing I've noticed as well is that once you use the teleporter, you can only, it's a one-shot deal. It's a one-way ticket. You can't use it again and again. I don't know why. If you go back into the editor, right, you see it's all linked up there, blah blah blah. You'll see that the options on here are limited. See, script options, it says once per trigger, which is this one, and it'll say once. Why doesn't it say loop indefinitely or infinite? I don't get it. So every time you should be able to teleport on that same place over and over and over again. And anyway, while we're on this video here, I'm going to do something. I'm going to move this guy here right across. No, not that one. Moving away. All right. So I'm going to move this guy just to prove it doesn't. You can move these things around like that. Let's have a look. All right. Just show you how far it goes. And whenever you do stuff. So we'll go on this again. Go on to object options, script options, teleport player. Alright, and with it all right over here, like that. So that's where he's going to go. Press that. Right, spawn point. And that is done. Alright, so we'll try that now. Hooray. Alright. I don't know why they do this once, but whatever. There you go. So that zoomed us right across the map. So it just goes to prove that it doesn't really matter. You can be right away from the map. You know what I mean? It will work. It doesn't have a preference to being, the triggers have got to be close to the spawn point, that sort of thing. Somebody didn't explain that on the videos, but I'm just saying that you can be right away across. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you out. I found this quite frustrating, but I like to figure these things out, and I hope it helps you out too. I'll do another video or something else that I find out as I'm going with Far Cry 5. As I say, scripting is all new to me on this. I've done scripted before on the PC version, but this is all like new, and I'm just finding my way as I'm going with the game. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later.